Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's time for the weekly security update for Google Chrome browser. And of course, that means that the Chromium browsers will also get the updates. Go to Google Chrome and upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 131.0.6778.85 or 86, depending on Linux, Mac, and Windows. And it fixes 3 high-severity security flaws, and it all has to do and revolves around the a confusion in V8 scripting engine within Google Chrome. It is often the target of attacks, and there are almost weekly updates to fix this engine. It's pretty incredible. Of course, that also means that this scripting engine exists in all Chromium browsers, which means that if you are using Brave, Edge, Opera, and so on, you will have this update coming through. It is important. High severity is a pretty high level, means that it's not that difficult to exploit. And of course, the browser is your first line of defense. It's what you use to go on the web, and you want it to be as secure as possible. And for that, you want it to be up to date. So go and check out your updates for Google Chrome. The update for, of course, your favorite browser will probably come within the next few hours or days, depending on each company. Some are slower than others. I expect Microsoft Edge to probably have this update somewhere around late Thursday, if all goes well. And hopefully you will stay safe by applying these security updates that are here every week now for the web browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.